Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing. This time it's Xduoo XQ-50 Pro2. This is the Bluetooth receiver and it has ESS 9218K DAC chip built in and it supports up to LDAC. So got it from ShenzhenAudio. So let's see. It took around 15 days and I did not pay any customs duty for this because I got the value declared at USD 14 only and it was sent through India Post. Thankfully they did not open it. Okay, so here is XQ-50 Pro2 in all its glory. So simply some shipping damage, but should be fine. Yeah, so I will not spoil the packaging. I try to keep the packaging intact. So let me see. It will be a challenge, so let's take it out. Okay, anywho, it's becoming difficult to pull it out because of this dent in the box. Okay, yeah, so here it is. Okay, yes, perfectly safe. So the device, let's keep it to the side. Some paperwork. Okay, warranty card, QC2 passed. You get one type A to type C cable, get one antenna, and get couple of feet, 5 feet to stick it on the base. Yes, XQ-50 Pro2. Yes, this is the one. So let me set it up and I'll listen to it. Probably you can ask me for the feedback in comments. I'll get back to you once I am done listening to this device. Thank you so much for watching.